again. Holy cow. Tornado, tornado, tornado just north of Grigley. It's on the ground. We have multiple tornadoes on the ground. Here we are, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. A massive wedge tornado. We're probably 10 to 15 miles away from this thing. Wow, oh my gosh. Huge tornado. Stovepipe tornado right here, baby. Wow. Rain wrapped tornado just north of Brooks, Iowa. There's the satellite tornado yet again. We have a beautiful tornado right here in front of us. You see it spinning good, can't you? Rainbow and everything, guys. Here we are on a great tornado that we have been on for a while. Look at, oh my gosh, Lord God. It's about to drop. Yep, it's about to drop, guys. It's dropping right now. Small one, but it's dropping. Come on.